I'm gonna get those one day. It's like it has like sweets in it.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. They have love potions. The love potion. God, they have piggy puff. They have piggy puff slippers.
It's like that baby lollipop.
For $26.95.